Is it recording?
Yeah.
1 2 1 2. 1 2 1 my fucking 2. Sorry guys. Hello everybody.
The dude from The Simpsons, huh? The Mr. Quickie Mart.
Oh yeah, I think.
Anyways, what's up? We just spent almost a gazillion years trying to figure this out. We got Chili's today. I'm already digging in, you see? I'm hungry.
Oh yeah, hi.
Yeah, my sister's here today. Today we got Chili's.
Drink.
Y'all ever been to Chili's? It's bomb. Bomb diggity. I got the
Thebomb.com.
honey chipotle chicken crispers, loaded mashed potatoes, Mexican street corn. Yeah, right. Chips, guac, salsa. She got baby back ribs. She got a corn, regular corn, and then papitas,
Typical.
fries. So let's dig in because I'm hungry bitches. We'll start off with the mashed taters.
I should got some mashed potatoes.
Loaded mashed potatoes. Yeah. You want some of this? So hungry. The honey chipotle crispers come with ranch. Excuse the gardener. He decided to start mowing the lawn around what time? What time is it?
Let's just say it's late.
Yeah, I don't know why. I guess because it's hot and then they're waiting for the sun to go down. Mexican street corn. I don't know what they put on it.
The American version of Mexican street corn. Was it good?
The day I choose to do my makeup, I eat corn with mayo on it. Some chips. Guacamole. Oh man.
Have you seen my napkin? So sister, since when are your eyes blue? Gray? Grayish blue?
My contacts.
Si se te ve el nopal, mija. Just playing. JK.
It's true.
Uh-huh.
Somebody asked me today if I was Indian. I was like, no. I am Mexican.
Bro, I've gotten that once. They asked me if I was Indian. They asked me if I was, what's it called? Salvadorian. Like, nah. I'm Mexican. You said what flavor are those?
It's honey chipotle chicken crispers. Honey chipotle sauce.
Are they spicy?
You want to try that? They're good.
Give me a sec.
It's like my kind of spice, you know. I like spicy food. I'll try anything spicy.
say you like spicy food? What's spicy?
The Chipotle. Chicken crispers. I'm gonna grab one of that.
There's a knife right there.
Really? The meat came off the bone. You didn't ask for like extra parts.
I forgot.
The meat came off the rib, yo. Like, is that tender?
That tender. I'm not a big spice person, but when I do eat spicy, it's like you can't stop. You gotta keep going. Go big or go home, you know?
Like hot Cheetos, like you just start eating them. Hot Cheetos or Takis.
Man, I don't fuck with Takis anymore. Last time I ate Takis, I felt like my insides were burning. And I was like, nah. Like hot Cheetos, okay, they're spicy and everything, but they've never made my stomach hurt to that point.
For
like
real?
Takis did.
I don't even think they're that bad. The Fuego?
They're delicious, but for some reason they made my stomach burn.
Like acid reflux?
No, I didn't feel it. I just feel my stomach burning.
Kind of dip it in the sauce. For real.
And so I haven't ever since then. It's been months since I ate them. Maybe almost a year.
So you're almost kind of scared, huh?
But I was craving hot Cheetos today. I didn't buy any, but I was like, some hot Cheetos sound good right now. Some hot Cheetos con limon. Yep. What would you say is your weirdest little snack? We were talking about the other day how we used to eat, because of Nina, our cousin, we used to eat like sausage, like hot dogs, cut them up and put salt and lemon on them.
Did she used to cook them or she just ate them raw? Like
They're raw.
That was good. Because it satisfies the like, the lime that you...
Twist the lime and the coconut and twist it out. Twist it out. No, but yeah, I mean, when you're hungry, and that's the only thing in the fridge, it should taste good. I'm waiting for your answer.
What?
What's the snack that you think is kind of weird?
Like chips wise? Because I eat anything. Like, I love watermelon, chips. I love hot Cheetos. Or the hot Cheeto Puffs. I like the hot Cheeto Puffs. Really good.
I'm talking about weird. Like the
weird.
Like the hot dog with salt and lemon on it.
Yeah, I'm kind of slow. I
Yeah.
have some hearing issues.
Preach.
Anyways. Weird snack.
Or just something that you eat that people might look at you like.
You know those, what are those things called? Those chips, like the whole wheat chips that they used to give at school. They're wavy. I don't know what they're called.
Sun
Harvest?
chips?
Yeah, Sun Chips.
I think the Harvest is the flavor.
Sun Chips with the cheddar flavor. The cheddar flavor Sun Chips with pickles, like together. I would put it in like, I would put a chip, then a pickle, then another chip, and eat it like that. It's good.
Interesting. My sister hates how I eat corn.
You gotta get every kernel.
I guess this is the equivalent to people not eating all of the chicken off a chicken wing. When they like, when it's a flat or a drumstick and they leave meat in between.
Oh yeah.
That irritates me when people eat their chicken wings like that. Is that how you feel with my corn? My corn on the cob.
I love eating corn. That's my boyfriend's favorite vegetable. Corn.
It's a vegetable?
I don't know.
Wow. I'm gonna have to Google that. I Google everything. Literally.
Who does that?
Damn. Making a mess over here.
I'm like two-handing it over here. Yeah. Look at these. Watch me drop some on the floor.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Definitely should add for more barbecue. Oh.
I should ask for extra sauce. They have the sauce down here.
Mm-hmm. Your makeup looking awfully though. I see your makeup is looking on point. You should do what's it called? How to do your makeup video, whatever.
Oh,
they're
get ready
called.
with me.
Or whatever.
I don't think I would do it really well.
I mean, it's definitely 100% better than when I do my makeup. Me, I
let
just.
me do your makeup. For real?
Not on camera. I don't want people to see my face without makeup.
You don't wear makeup all the time.
I know. No, but I mean, I keep it simple. Like the makeup that I wear is just basically it's just eyeliner and some chapstick or lip gloss. And do my eyebrows a little bit. That's pretty much it. Once in a while, I do mascara, but it's a hassle to clean your face when you have mascara on.
That highlight though, look.
Mm-hmm.
This is like my full glam.
I was like, girl, where you going? To the club? We're going to the club tonight?
No, we're just filming the mukbang.
Should we? It's Thursday, right? Oh, wait, never mind. It's Wednesday. Never mind. Yesterday, I went to Atlanta, right? Last night. I went down to Atlanta, and I don't know if you've seen, I don't know, I forgot what they're called, but they're like mobile bars, and they're the bikes, the people that are drinking have to pedal their way around.
Isn't that what we were gonna do?
But I think if
for Pedro's birthday.
Yeah, but yeah, I was down there and I saw some ladies. They was acting up. They was I think that's dangerous to be getting drunk like that, and you're out in the street, you know.
How are they acting up?
There was jamming the Cardi B. They were screaming.
Ooh.
I think one of them like got in front of a car. I was like, can't be doing that.
Isn't that like driving and drinking and driving?
I know, right? But
Look at this. A perfect you.
I love you.
Yes, I love you. Chicken
Mm.
Christmas. I love you too.
I mean, they have like a employee kind of steering it. They're just pedaling.
What if they don't want to stop pedaling?
I know, right? But low key, I feel like if you're gonna do that, do it at night. Less traffic. And last night it felt really nice outside with the breeze. So it wasn't hot.
Was it night when you went?
Yeah. You don't remember? Whenever I left.
You left at nighttime?
We were at Mozart.
Oh yeah. Oh, that. Damn.
Girl, where's your memory at?
And you went to work today? Desvelándose.
It was a surprise.
Oh, for
Kind
real?
of.
Aw. Did you tell him about me and Trey going?
But all I said was, oh, look, my sister, the actual night that you went, I think I was hanging out with him. And I was like, oh, my sister went to the Skyview. And that's it. Right? I was like, my sister went to the Skyview. And then, like, he was like, we should go. And I'm like, what? And then, like, we were going to go one day, but we canceled the plans. And then last night, I was hanging out with you. He was like, I'm trying to meet up with you. And I was like, okay. He's like, I'm trying to go down to Atlanta. To go to the Skyview. I'm like, oh, you trying to do that right now? I'm like, alright, cool. Let me get home. Yeah.
He's like, oh. He saw how excited it made you whenever you saw
Yeah,
me.
but when I was on top of that Skyview, girl, I'm telling you, I was sweating. I was grabbing onto his leg, and, like, I swear, I left his pants a little damp where my hand was. And when there was a little, what do you call that? The thing that you're in. The little cart on the wheel was swinging back and forth. Girl, I looked down and I got dizzy. I was like, I was closing my eyes. I was like, oh my god. Yeah. I mean, but once I got off, I was like, that was dope. The view was pretty cool. Yeah. And then we got on them horses.
The carriage rides? They're pretty horses. They're like romantic.
Fuck your white horse and your carriage. No, I'm just playing. I fucked with it. Yeah.
That's what's up. He surprised you. I got it on my nose. Oh well.
Show him how to eat a corn. Since apparently I'd be doing it wrong.
It's definitely not a clean mukbang. She's got the ribs over here.
Let me try that.
Oh.
Am I supposed to dip it in the wrap?
It's good, huh?
It is.
gotta go.
It starts off sweet, and then
To Chili's.
and then the spicy comes in at the end. But it's good. And some Sprite. Want some cold
Potatoes. Alright, enough with the chips and salsa.
You gonna finish them tenders? It was pretty good. Okay. Oh, put my whole body in here.
So? I want to finish this corn though.
That looks like how I eat it. You're like, watch him back clean it.
Whatever this stuff is, I think it's like cream, crema or whatever.
Oh, whatever.
You see that? I know it's like cheese. Like, queso fresco.
Damn. I squirted all over here. So dirty, man. Remember those the Orbit commercials? When they used to, here's what would they say? You lent liquor, cootie queen. And then they would be like, here's some gum for your dirty mouth. No wonder why they stopped making those commercials. They're funny.
They came up with new content.
I haven't seen this commercial. I gotta have some, man.
Remember the other day I was remembering the Kia Soul commercial with the
hamsters.
This or you could get with that, or you could get with this, or you could get with that.
You could get with this, or you could get with that. You could get with this, cause this is where it's at. Do that dippity.
Yeah, cause Trey's mom was playing a song. I guess the original song. And it had the same beat and everything. And I was like, hey, this is a song from that commercial.
They don't make commercials like they used to before.
Excuse me. Pretty girls burp too.
I'll say you're pretty though. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. But girls don't fart. Well, they do. They fart glitter and rainbows and. I told that to this little kid. You remember? Oh boy. And
He's like, no, I don't.
he was like looking at me like at first he didn't know whether to believe it or not. Yeah. And then he stayed quiet for a little bit. And then he's like, no, they don't. I don't know where.
He was thinking about it, like,
yeah. Do they really? I was like, ask your mom. Ask your mom.
Yeah. They're like, really? No, that's not possible. It's cute to see, like, little kids' minds work. Like, you tell them something and they're like, it does? Like, sometimes they go along with it.
Like, they have to let it process in their mind, in their little minds.
Yeah. It's cute. got baby fever. I mean, she does.
Hmm? What? I was so entertained with my corn. I didn't hear what you said. I don't know why I love this salsa though. It's not spicy at all, but it tastes good.
Let's eat another ribbo. Ribadilly.
Is it good? You look like you're enjoying it. A lot. A lot, a lot, a lot.
You full?
Yeah.
Ow.
No, I can't get that kid soul song out of my head. You could get with this, and you could get with that.
You need me cambie? I was trying to put a shirt on to look good, like match with the makeup, but
Hey, at least you
I was
look
so
cute
hungry
though.
I forgot.
At least you look cute though. Big face.
I was literally beating my face away.
I don't have the patience for that. Maybe if I go to a club or something, but I don't see how girls do that every single day. Their makeup.
Yeah, I can't do it every day.
Mhm.
I guess after a while, you just start getting used to it. Like if you have to.
Yeah.
Like Kim
But-
Kardashian,
Girl.
they would do their makeup every day.
Yeah, but that girl got people to do her makeup for her.
Not before. She didn't used to. Cause right now I'm watching the Kardashian series, and they're like in the beginning, like season 3 or season 4 or something of the Keeping Up with the Kardashians, and they do their own makeup. Whenever they have photo shoots, like they get it done, but whenever they don't, they do it themselves.
I feel like they have their personal makeup artist on standby.
Now they do, because they got billions of dollars. They got shmoney.
They got money, honey.
Alright, y'all. Well, this was the end of it.
We done.
We're up to here with food. Or up to here. So, if you guys like the video, like it. Leave a little like. Just comment, subscribe. All you know the jizz. The jazz.
Oh my god.
Anyways, alright.
Deuce.